Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. MagnaHeal 2 is my recent invention. It can be used for muscle joint pain from head to toe. It comes with two extra belts that can fit in a different body part, so you can wear it while you work out or exercise. It has a very strong magnetic field that when we measure it, it was like around 3 inches from each side. One of the most common question I get is how the MagnaHeal works. So basically, normal cells voltage runs between 20 to 25 millivoltage. And the injured cells or the inflamed cells voltage runs between 5 to 10 millivoltage. So think about this way. If your phones run on 5% of your battery, you barely making phone calls. You will not be able to use apps. The same thing happens for our body. When you have inflamed area or the voltage is low, usually the cells are stuck in inflammation stage, and when you look at normal healing cycle, which the body has to go from inflammation to proliferation to maturation in order to heal, usually when the voltage is low, it's usually stuck in inflammation stage. And the goal of the magnet is increasing the voltage in the cells because extremely strong magnet. And we know that cells use electric magnetic fields to communicate, to function, for the body to heal faster. So it can be worn from head to toe. It's very easy to use, adjustable. It can be used while you work out, while you exercise, you work in front of computer. So get yours today. You're gonna love it.